Yeah, hi guys. Yeah, I'm back. So this is continuation of what I talked about. See, price went down, came back up again, went down again. Did you notice that they're actually moving sideways? Try to break initially, but it still falls back. So we are testing it again. Why I would choose to sell is because you see this, even though it created a trend trying to go up, it kind of like got stop ball out here. A lot of sellers decided that this area is cheap, so they start to sell it down. And then there's a sense of buyer here saying that around this area the price is expensive, so I want sorry, ex, yep, expensive to sell, cheap to buy. So cheap buyer here they start buying AD. So these two zones are very similar zone, and it's still stuck right above, right below the SR line that we have drawn, and it's stuck right below April 2020 and February 2020 line some more. So if we want to take this entry, we can. There's three type of SL that we can consider. The first type is aggressive, about 20 to 30 pips away. The second type is about 50, moderate. Then the third would be about 65 pips SL. So depending where we want to place the SL on it. But if the price starts to break above here, then there might have a chance that the market want to go up further. So it will start dang, climb. But if it reject here, it will come down. Why I choose to look for sell in this area is because the candlestick pattern that I want have formed here, and I'm looking for a retracement entry on it. So price did come here. So I have taken one particular setup here already and out TP'd out already. So here it's a retracement entry that I want to try again. It's exactly like this. Price goes back up, created a pattern that I want, come back down, didn't enter, so yep, came back up here again. Yeah, second time, third time, so then it fall all the way. See, there might have a chance for this structure happening here again. Until this whole area above being broken, then only I'll consider a buy. Break this area, only I consider buy. If don't break this area, it's still a sell to me no matter what. So this is how I analyze market. Okay, so yeah, let's move forward to USD yen. USD yen is very obvious, very obvious. It's been sideways for 1.5 weeks. So last Wednesday entered the sideways. Last 2 week Wednesday entered the sideways. Thursday, Friday. So one whole week last week it's been on sideways, trying to make a decision saying that where you want to go. But for me, if market start doing this thing, I would favor, like I say, if the market trend comes down, I will favor just a sell, just in case. If it break this area, then only I buy. For me to officially still want to sell it down from here to continue this trend, if it broke out to continue this trend, I would actually wait for it to break here first for me to truly sell it down. But for now, I would only sell here until this whole zone is being broken. This price, the highest point is being broken. Only I would actually consider a buy. As long as this whole area not broken, I would just sell and sell and sell. That's it. So if I last week I would been selling, I have tip it here, I've tip it here, I've tip it here, and this one new, so I did nothing. So I so many times already. See, if last 2 week I've been selling, yeah, I sell here, I sell here, I sell here, I sell here, I sell here. How many pips I gain already? Just imagine that. So price comes back up here around this area, sell right above here about 30 pips SL, or I would put, if you want to have a more safe entry type of SL, put about 50 pips. So there's an option: aggressive, moderate, safe. That's the one thing. So next would be New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. It's quite obvious the price wants to go up, but got stopped out here again. There's some small little rejection here. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but it's not rejecting any area that I want. If this happens here, I would have sold it, but it's kind of like stuck in between. It didn't reject all the way down here. There's a SR zone, so it didn't reject all the way down here. So now I would only consider a sell if it comes here, and consider a buy if it comes here. Why this one can sell and buy? Is because if price comes here, it might do what we call a double top. Ah, See, a lot of times the double top would be actually a second chance entry. See, there's a price fall down here that might have a chance that the price might fall here again. But because this is an uptrend now, there's a low, if I put here, there's a low, there's a high, there's a higher low. So yeah, the price might have a chance to go up. But don't forget that the price still have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. So either it continue this or it will continue this. So this is the minor trend and this is the major trend. See, this is how we differentiate minor and major. Who gonna win? Which direction it gonna follow? I really got no idea. It's just that the small little edge saying that price comes here, I have a chance. More percentage of winning here. Price comes here, I buy. I have a more percentage of winning here. That's it. But this setup, I would wait for a candlestick pattern already. There's here I would do an immediate instant entry for a second chance, but here I would actually wait for a rejection, a confirm entry saying that I price rejected this area, then only I enter. Yeah, all right. So done New Zealand USD. Now we talk about USD Canadian. USD Canadian a bit tricky for this. If those that didn't see might get trapped here, it's still trying to make a decision, to be honest. A lot of people will actually sell here already. A lot, I tell you. See, I wouldn't be selling here. The reason if I were to sell here, I might be in risk. Did you notice further down, if you talk about study of chart, I mean, I have some fundamental background, so I know fundamentally that oil is still weak, okay, not going to be good anytime soon. So Canadian not going to be good, so price will go up. So, but from technical wise, let's say you guys don't like fundamental, you only want to focus on technical wise. It's actually show you a very interesting hint in the market already. Yes, market is coming down. See, high, lower high, lower high. Then I have my whole zone of low here, then my whole zone of lower high here, and my lower low here. Did you notice a higher low happen? The price never followed through. No? Okay, this price never followed through further down here. If this price followed through further down here, yes, I would sell this. But because of this price didn't follow through, if I were to sell here, it's a bit risky because there's a rejection here already. There's buyer here, the whole zone of buyer. See, nampak? The whole zone of buyer here has been hogging at this area already. Even though price decided to come down, there might have a chance that this one will push the price up again. I'm not talking about the price comes here, I buy. Nope, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about here for us to sell. It's very risky if we don't see here. So for this pair, I would actually wait. What do I wait? Does it want to continue until it create a new lower low here? Then only I look for sell. Or else there might have a chance that this might break and close above here. If this price broke and closed above here, it created a new high. So this had turned into the lower high, have a new high here already. So yep, that's what I do daily. So this pair I'll still wait. So yep, I've done all the analysis for all 7 pairs already. And you guys, if you want to learn how to draw this type of chart, just see the YouTube channel, subscribe to me, and thank you very much for your time and thank you very much for listening to me. This is the 7 pair analysis for the week of 27 April till 1st of May. So how I'm going to trade the following week. Thank you very much.